Hello, what we have for today is Hamptonbay. I'm not sure what the model of this is, but I'm sure somebody will post it in the comments. I apologize for my ceiling fan drought of a recent. I haven't really been out doing a whole lot. I've just been focused on finishing my classes and dealing with the transition of life that is when you finish your college classes. I don't think I'm finished forever. I probably will go back and take classes later, but that's a subject for another day. Because today we're talking about this here sexy ceiling fan. Yes, it is a Hampton Bay. It has a Hampton Bay pool. I'm not sure what model it is. Somebody will probably tell you in the comments, and I'll update the whatever that's called accordingly. My brain ain't working right now. For 45-watt equivalent LED bulbs in there. Start with low. Oh, that's nice. Stupid piece of junk. At least these fans don't have the cheap pulls that a lot of the early Harbor Breeze Classic 2s had that would always get stuck. Remember that back when I was in middle school, I want to say. Let's go over to my friend's house, and he had three of these Harbor Breeze Classic 2s around his house with the thick metal poles, and the pole change would always get stuck. So the pole change switches, I should say, would always get stuck on them. And they were in the same finish too, although I think the blades were a darker color. That's high speed. The fan has a very slight wobble to it. Don't think the camera's going to pick it up. It moves a good breeze. Over there in the kitchen is the Harbor Breeze Centerville from a previous video. It's still there and it's still working. Alright, so turn the fan back to its original speed. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully more fans to come.